Let me show you guys how I do a knotless braid in real time. So I'm going to comb, which I like to call dry combing, and then I'm going to apply product, and then I'm going to lightly comb this section of hair before I get started braiding, okay? So we're going to split it into 3, and I love to use the comb because it's going to give me a precise part. Okay, then we're going to comb that middle section out just to make sure that it's nice and flat and sleek. And we're going to grab that hair and place it directly up under our middle finger, okay? After we do that, we're going to do a full pass and we're going to pull on that natural hair, okay? Now we're going to have that piece of hair laying over our middle finger, and we're going to grab a piece of hair no bigger than that piece of hair. We're going to do another full pass, and we're going to add another piece of hair in no bigger than the middle piece, directly up underneath that middle finger, okay? Do another full pass, and we'll add another piece of hair. The pieces of hair depend on how big of a braid that you want. So we're not going to do a count. We're just going to simply feel with our fingers how big we want this braid to grow. Then we're going to flip our hand placement to the underhanded hand placement so that we can start braiding a little faster, and also so that we can tuck that natural hair to the back of the braid. This is what's going to make that hair last a little bit longer. It's going to make the braids last longer. We'll take a comb or the tail end of the comb, and we'll just perfect that base, making sure everything is sleek and slick. Get the flyaways away, and then we're going to speed on down that braid with the underhanded braid method. I absolutely love braiding underhanded because it's going to help me with my speed. It's going to allow me to speed it on up and get that braid done efficiently, okay? As we're braiding down, we're borrowing pieces of hair as we feel one of the legs getting smaller or less dense. So